It is a good idea to seek therapy even when you are a Christian. Just because you're a Christian doesn't mean you don't need mental health services. You might need to talk something out, learn some skills. You might even need medication to get through depression, anxiety, or even schizophrenia. These are all very serious conditions that are easily treatable with therapy and medications. God puts people in our lives to help us. He doesn't always work things out through a miracle. So if you or someone you love is avoiding putting off mental health treatment because they think it's not Christian, it's not biblical, please encourage them or yourself to get help. It's easy, it's pain-free. It takes a little bit of work, sure, but you will be so grateful that you did it. Now, unfortunately, in mental health, just like every other field, it can be filled with people who aren't in your best interests. They're not biblically sound Christian people, selfish, self-serving. So take it with a grain of salt when you meet someone. Don't just sign up and think this is the right person. You got to feel it out, pray for it. Make sure it's God's will that you are with that specific counselor or doctor, that they genuinely have your best interests at heart, and that they have good values. Especially with a therapist, this is so important because you don't want them encouraging you to sin when that's the last thing you need in your life. It's going to cause you so much more pain and suffering to go down a path of sin. So you want someone who is Christian, who is putting themselves in your shoes, and they are advocating for you and your best biblical life. So be careful who you choose, but don't write off mental health just because you're a Christian and you think that it's not something we should do. It is, just like physical health care, but we should use discernment, use prayer. God will lead you to the right people and the right medicines. I hope this video was a blessing to you. Take care.